So good morning students. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Okay, the name of the chapter is surfing the web. Okay, so surfing the web means what? With the help of the some web browsers you will access the internet. Okay, so basically this chapter is all about surfing the internet. Okay, so web means your internet. Okay, so let us go through the key points that we will learn today. So in this lesson what we will learn? In this lesson we will learn about what? We will learn about web browser on a computer. Okay, what is a web browser? ठीक है sir. Next we will name some popular web browsers. There are certain popular web browsers. Okay, so you will learn about this. Then we will learn about function of buttons on the toolbar. So you will just learn about the different functions of the toolbar. Okay, then you will learn about the purpose of bookmarks, favorites in a browser. Then add a web page to bookmark, visit a web page in save bookmarks, view history of web pages visited, and search images on the web. Okay, now we will just start a brief introduction about web browser. Okay, so what is a web browser? So in introduction we will come to know that there are different types of web browser. Okay, they are namely as Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera, Google Chrome, and Apple Safari. Okay, Safari is limited to only to Apple device, but nowadays you can only install it on your computer via any web browser. Okay, so first of all we will learn about Internet Explorer. So there is a brief history associated with it. So this is the Internet Explorer. Okay, Microsoft Internet Explorer is one of the most popular browser today. Okay, IE means Internet Explorer was introduced in 1995. Okay, please underline this. This was introduced in 1995. Firefox was introduced in 2004. Okay, so Firefox is a web browser from Firefox is a web browser from Mozilla. Okay, Mozilla is a company, okay, that makes Firefox. Okay, then we come across Opera. You have heard about Opera mini browser. So the company name of the company is Opera. Okay, so Opera is a fast, small, and standard compliant web browser. Okay, Opera is the preferred browser for a number of small devices for mobile phones and handheld computers. So handheld computer means your tabs and all. Okay, palm top. Okay, these are known as handheld computers. And mobile. Okay, suppose your Redmi. Okay, so if you use any mobile, suppose Redmi, Samsung, Opera browser takes less data. Okay, to load the web pages. Okay, Google Chrome. Okay, now we come across Google Chrome. What is Google Chrome? Google Chrome is a free open source web browser developed by Google and it was released in 2008. So mark it 2008. Okay, now we come across Apple Safari. Okay, so Safari is the default web browser for Mac systems. Okay, Mac system, or if you have an iPhone, okay, iOS or Mac, so the default web browser will be Safari. Okay, now we come out to our next page. Okay, now how to start a web browser? How will you start a web browser? So there are certain steps given here. So we will get to know how to start it. So starting a web browser, how will you start a web browser? See, to start a web browser, we double click on a shortcut icon. See, there are different shortcut icon in the taskbar. Okay, you click on the start menu, here also you can click, and on the start bar here also you can click. Okay, so see, starting a web browser. To start a web browser, we double click its shortcut icon present on the desktop, or click start all programs, then click on the web browser we want to use. Okay, so there is step number 1. Step number 1, click here start, then we will go to programs. Different programs are here. See, different programs are here na. Now step 2, what you will click on this Internet Explorer. So this is your web browser, or you can click it from here also. See, Mozilla. Okay, so these are the steps that are explained here. Okay, the following steps are explained in 4.1. So this is your figure 4.1 and I have explained these steps. Okay, now we come to our next topic. If you click on Internet Explorer, it will start that browser. Okay, similarly Mozilla Firefox can also be selected if you want to use that to browse the internet. Okay, so you can select Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. See, here it is written Mozilla Firefox. Okay, if you want to browse to the internet. Okay, once you start a web browser, the web browser opens up and the first page is displayed called the home page. So we come to our next page. So this is your home page. Okay, after you open your web browser, we will come across this page. Then name of the page is this home page. It is written Google na, so this is your home page. Okay, now see, in this chapter we shall learn about working of Internet Explorer as a Mozilla Firefox simultaneously. Simultaneously means one after another or one at a time. Okay, or both at a time, you can say. So you will learn this Mozilla also, and you will learn this Internet Explorer also, and other web browsers are also there. Suppose Google Chrome, Safari, I have already told na. So you can also learn how to use this web browser so that you can browse the internet fluently. Okay, for example, the home page of a web browser may be Google. Okay, so when the browser is started, the following page appears. So this is the page appears. Okay, now what is a home page? See, when you start the browser, we see a web page called home page. So this is the home page. This web page is displayed first of all the browser. First of all as the browsers have configured in that manner. So how the you have to configure what to set this home page. So this is not necessary for your class. Okay, I will, if you want to learn, then I will explain it later on how to set the preferred home page on your web browser. Okay, while surfing the web, we can get back to the home page anytime by clicking on the home button present on the toolbar. So here, see, here is this home button is there. See here the home button is there. So if you are on any page, suppose you are on the 100 page and you want to come back to the home page, you will simply click on this home button. Okay, the home button over here, you will click on this home button and your browser will take back to your home page. Okay, so what is the home page? See, when you start this page is displayed, and I have explained this. Now see, this is home button for Firefox and this is home button for Internet Explorer. Okay, so what is the home page defines? The home page is also used the main page of the website that opens up when you visit. So if you open a website, suppose youtube.com, you click on the home button, then the front page of youtube.com will be displayed on your screen. Okay, for example, when you visit the website Disneyland, the web page is shown in figure 4.6. Okay, this web page is called the home page. Okay, so if you search 4.6 is after some pages, so I will show you what is the home page. Similarly, you can take example of this. So this is the home page of Google. Okay, you search on here, and regarding your search, if you search anything, if it matches with some words, that it will take you to another page. So in this class, we have learned about different types of web browser, what is the home page of a web browser, and how to start a web browser. Okay, so students, please go through the video, and after watching the video, you write your name and roll number in your class group. Okay, thank you.